is 4 more than twice its numerator, denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. If both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6, find the fraction. Let the fraction be x upon y, that is x is numerator and y is denominator. Now first condition, the denominator of fraction, denominator is equal to 4 times 4 then twice its numerator, that is 4 plus twice, that is 2 times numerator. Denominator term is y is equal to 4 plus 2 into numerator term is x, that is 2x minus y. Y term is over here, plus 2x will shift this side, it will get converted into minus 2x, which is equal to 4. Arrange it, minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. This is equation 1. Now second condition, denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Denominator 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. Reduced means minus, denominator minus 6 is equal to, denominator becomes 12 times the numerator, becomes means is equal to 12 times means into numerator, but numerator and denominator are reduced by 6, therefore numerator minus 6. Now denominator term is y minus 6 is equal to 12 into numerator term is x minus 6. Y minus 6 is equal to 12 into x is 12x, 12 6 which is equal to 72. Y minus 6 plus 12 will shift this side, it will get converted into minus 6 is equal to minus 72. Minus 12x plus y minus 72, minus 6 will shift this side, so it will get converted into plus 6. Minus 12x plus y is equal to 72 minus 6, which is equal to 66, but greater number sign is minus, so answer is minus. This is equation 2. Let us see equation 1 and 2. Since with y number present is 1, in second equation also with y the number present is 1. To cancel out each other we need subtraction sign, so subtracting equation 1 and 2, that is minus 2x plus y is equal to 4, minus 12x plus y is equal to minus 66. Now minus sign will get converted into plus, plus sign will get converted into minus, minus sign will get converted into plus. Plus y minus y will get cancelled out. Minus into plus, which is equal to minus, 12 minus 2 which is equal to 10, 66 minus 4 which is equal to, plus will get converted into plus, 66 plus 4 which is equal to 70, x is equal to 70 upon 10, 0 will get cancelled out, x is equal to 7. Substituting x is equal to 7 in equation 1, that is minus 2x plus y is equal to 4, minus 2 into, instead of x substitute 7 plus y is equal to 4. 7 2s are 14 minus 14 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Minus 14 will shift this side, it will get converted into plus 14. Y is equal to 14 plus 4, which is equal to 18. Therefore, fraction is equal to 7 upon 18, that is x upon y. Two types of boxes A and B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 ton. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 ton. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B, so that it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each type of box. Let the weight of type A box is equal to x and weight of type B box is equal to y. Now, since 1 ton is equal to 100 kg, this is formula. Now, first condition, two boxes of A and B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. When 150 box of type A, 150 of type A and means plus 100 box of type B are loaded in truck, its weight is equal to 10 tons. That is 10, 1 ton is equal to 100, so 10 multiplied by 100. 150 type A is x plus 100 type B is y. 1, 2, 3. Ton is equal to 1000 kg, therefore multiply by 10 into 1000, which is equal to 10,000. This is equation 1. Now, but second condition, when 260 box of type A, that is 260 into type A, are loaded in truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B, that is 40 into type B is equal to 10 tons each. No? Second truck also has capacity of 10 tons, therefore 10 multiplied by 1000, because 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg, therefore 10 multiplied by 1000. 260 into type A is x, 40 into type B is y. This is equal to 10,000. This is equation 2. 50x plus 100y is equal to 10,000. Let us reduce this equation, therefore dividing each term by 50, that is 150 upon 50x plus 100 upon 50y is equal to 10,000 upon 50. 0 0 will get cancelled out. 5 1s are, 5 3s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 100 and 2 zeros. 3x plus 2y, which is equal to 200. This is equation 3. Similarly, second equation is 260x plus 40y which is equal to 10,000. Again divide this equation by each term by 20. 260x upon 20 plus 40y upon 20 is equal to 10,000 upon 20. 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 13s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 zeros are. 13x plus 2y which is equal to 500. This is equation 4. Now comparing equation 3rd and 4, we need opposite signs, so subtracting equation 3 and 4. 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. Plus sign will get converted into minus. Plus 2y minus 2y will get cancelled out. 13 minus 3 which is equal to 10, but greater number sign is minus. 500 minus 200 which is equal to 300, but greater number sign is minus. Minus minus will get cancelled out. 300 upon 10, 0 0 will get cancelled out. X is equal to 30. Now substituting x is equal to 30 in equation 1, that is 150x plus 100y is equal to 10,000. 150 into 30 plus 100y is equal to 10,000. 15 3s are 45. 4,500 plus 100y is equal to 10,000. 100y is equal to 10,000 minus 4,500, that is equal to 0 minus 0 0 0 9 10. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5,500 equal to 5,500. Y is equal to 5,500 upon 100. 0 0 cancel. Y is equal to 55. Therefore, the weight of type A box is equal to, that is value of x is 30 kg, and weight of type B box which is equal to y which is equal to